Today, I am reviewing the Nuwave Whole House Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. What stood out to me early on was how fast the air quality changes in a big room. In an open living area where smells, dust, and general air stagnation usually linger, the OxyPure begins to make a noticeable difference within minutes. Cooking odors fade faster. Pet smells do not hang around, and the air simply feels lighter and cleaner. This is not placebo-level subtle. You can genuinely feel the difference, especially if you're sensitive to dust or smoke. Over time, that cleaner air becomes the new normal, and you only realize how much work the purifier is doing when you turn it off and notice the change. The multi-stage filtration system feels thoughtfully engineered rather than over-marketed. The stainless steel pre-filter catches larger debris like pet hair and dust before it ever reaches the deeper filters, which keeps the system efficient and easy to maintain. The combination of HEPA and carbon filtration does an excellent job with fine particles and odors. Smoke, pollen, and everyday airborne irritants are handled quietly in the background, and the addition of ozone removal gives peace of mind, especially for households that care about truly clean air rather than just mask smells. The fact that several filters are washable and reusable adds real-world value, reducing both maintenance stress and long-term cost. One of the most practical features in daily use is the dual sensor system. The purifier reacts not only to airborne particles but also to odors, which makes a big difference in real homes. When something changes in the environment, whether it is smoke, pet activity, or cooking, the unit responds automatically by increasing fan speed. Watching it adjust itself without manual input reinforces the sense that it is actively monitoring your space instead of running on a fixed schedule. The real-time feedback builds trust that it is actually doing what it claims to do. The automatic mode deserves special mention because it makes the purifier feel effortless. You do not need to constantly think about settings or fan speeds. It adapts based on air quality, ramps up when needed, and scales back when the air is clean. This not only saves energy, but also keeps noise levels reasonable throughout the day. It becomes a set-it-and-forget-it appliance, which is exactly what something like an air purifier should be. Noise performance is impressive, especially in sleep mode. At night, the purifier fades into the background. With indicator lights turned off and the fan running quietly, it does its job without disturbing sleep. If you are someone who is sensitive to noise, this is a big deal. Over several nights of use, the consistent quiet operation made it easy to forget the unit was even running, except for the noticeable improvement in morning breathing comfort. Sinus irritation feels reduced, and the air feels fresher when waking up, which aligns well with its focus on sleep-friendly design. Smart connectivity is another feature that becomes more useful over time. Being able to check air quality remotely and adjust settings from a phone adds convenience, especially if you're away from home or managing air quality for family members. The app integration feels stable and responsive rather than gimmicky, and it complements the automatic system instead of replacing it. You can be hands-off and still feel informed. Maintenance is refreshingly straightforward. Filter alerts remove the guesswork, telling you exactly when cleaning or replacement is needed based on actual usage rather than arbitrary timelines. The inclusion of extra filters and the promise of years without replacement costs make ownership feel less stressful and more predictable. This is especially important for a device that is designed to run consistently rather than occasionally. After extended use, what defines the Nuwave OxyPure most clearly is consistency. It does not just perform well on the first day or during obvious air quality issues. It quietly maintains a cleaner environment day after day, adapting to changes, minimizing odors, and improving overall air comfort in large spaces where smaller purifiers simply fall short. It feels engineered for real homes with pets, cooking, movement, and everyday pollutants rather than idealized conditions. Living with this air purifier feels less like using a gadget and more like upgrading the atmosphere of your home. The air feels cleaner, breathing feels easier, and the environment feels more controlled without constant interaction.